In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automation robots in Bitrix24. By the end, you'll know how to set up a simple automation that handles customer communication for you. In Bitrix24, automation robots are actions that run automatically at specific points in your CRM workflow, saving time and keeping processes consistent. They can send messages, create tasks, and much more, all based on where a lead or deal sits in your pipeline. Start from your Bitrix24 workspace. Open the chat and calls area to get oriented and make sure the main navigation is visible. From there, look for the CRM section in the left-hand menu. Click CRM to enter your customer relationship hub, where pipelines, leads, and deals are organized. Once you're inside the CRM, head to the automation rules area. You'll typically find this at the top of your pipeline or deal board. This page shows each stage of your process across the top, and under each stage, you can place robots that will run automatically when records enter that stage. It's a great way to standardize follow-ups and reduce manual work. Click Create to start a new automation. This opens a catalog of ready-to-use options. For this walkthrough, we'll focus on customer outreach. Select the customer communication category. This section contains robots designed for sending emails, messages, or notifications to clients using your connected channels. Next, click. Add to place the robot into your workflow. You'll see configuration options appear. Locate the From field and choose a sample sender. This defines who the message appears to come from, such as a connected mailbox, a shared email, or a communication channel you already set up in Bitrix24. Picking the right sender maintains brand consistency and improves deliverability. If you manage multiple mailboxes or channels, select the one customers recognize. If your email or telephony isn't connected yet, make sure that's configured in your account settings before relying on this automation for live communication. When your selections look good, click Save. Your customer communication robot is now part of the automation rules and will run according to the stage and conditions you placed it under. That's all it takes to create a simple, effective automation in Bitrix24. To wrap up, remember a few practical tips. Use clear names and descriptions so teammates understand what each robot does. Keep messages concise and personalized where possible. And before you roll this out widely, test the behavior on a non-critical lead or deal to confirm timing, sender, and content are exactly right. With these steps, your Bitrix24 CRM will follow up reliably and your team can focus on higher value work.